$16,000. All right, from Broncos and Mercedes, how about a 1973 Volkswagen Thing?
Well, these, of course, evolved out of the German Kugelwagen, transport of the World War II era. But interestingly enough, like the Jeep CJ, which grew out of the MB, which was a two-seater, these are four-door vehicles with seating for 4 people or soldiers. And interestingly enough, the doors front and rear are interchangeable on these, but this is a civilized version of the Kugelwagen.
Yeah, that was sold as a really big feature back in the day. Like, if you lost one of these doors, you could replace it with one of these. Big deal. Take all 4 of them off and go beach bugging with them.
And these were only sold for about 40 years in the early 70s. I remember them very well. They were all sold in very bright colors, and you couldn't miss these coming down the road. Standard Volkswagen Type engine, nothing great upgraded here, but probably enough to get it down the road.
And, you know, nicely clean enough to not show restoration, but a careful preservation. I like the way that this one has been maintained. You heard that solid thunk when we closed the doors or the engine compartment. Let's hear it again. Yes, there is no sound deadening in this vehicle whatsoever.
Many parts of these come from Volkswagen Beetle parts bin. The tail deck-lid release, the lamps on the fenders, and the tail lamps all from the bug parts bin. Why re-engineer stuff that you don't have to? Fits right on.
Hey, the Mustang was a parts bin car, built from the Falcon. No harm in that.
And away goes, $11,000 for a 1973 Volkswagen.